Today we're going to make my chicken zucchini meatballs. They are tender, juicy, and perfect for meal prep. Unfortunately, I am not going to be in this video today. This is Kelly Shalal, registered dietitian behind Hungry Hobby, because every time I turn to this meal to make it, film it, whatever, I am a raging hot mess. But it's my go-to because it's only 5 ingredients. 6 if you count pepper. And, the most annoying part of this recipe is shredding the zucchini and then draining it. But after that, look at that. Look how fast it comes together. And you can use the spoon, but I always immediately ditch the spoon to stir the ingredients and go to gloves. I use ground chicken, but you could also use ground turkey if that's your thing. You can use any leanness. That's fine too. I used a seasoned breadcrumb, so that cheats a little bit and makes things go faster. Parmesan and an egg and the zucchini and some pepper. And then I used a cookie scoop to measure my meatballs and roll them into, meatballs. 24 of them, exactly. I usually double the batch and then freeze them once they cool down. And then I have a go-to meal for lunch for the baby or for protein, snack for me, everything. You guys have got to try this and let me know what you think. And yeah, enjoy. You know the drill. Like and subscribe if you want more healthy recipes.